Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to watch Premier League live on mobile. So first is first, you have to go to any web browser and then here you have to search Sky Sports. So you have to tap on here. Any web browser will do. This time I'm using the Google web browser. So Sky Sports. And then here you have to click the very first link that you can see here. So tap on Sky Sports here. Now here you have to log in to your account. If you don't have one, then sign up. So you will see that three lines. Once you tap the Sky Sports, this is Sky Sports page, and all you have to do is tap on the three lines right here. And then you have to select sports, accept all. Here under sports, you have to look for football. Okay, so you have to tap on football here. And after that, you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you should see any game right here and that is on live. So feel free to select and then watch. And this is the easiest way to watch Premier League live on mobile. Again, just go to Sky Sport, create an account, go to football, and then watch a Premier League live on here. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.